Hey you guys, it's Monica and welcome back to Period 6 Designs. Today I'm going to show you how I made this Winter Wonderland glitter tumbler. So first I'm going to show you guys the glitter. So all these glitters came from Nola Craft Culture. So the first color that I'm using is called Message in a Bottle. It's a really pretty, just like ocean blue kind of color. This next color is Stroke of Midnight. It's like a periwinkle Cinderella blue. And then the next shade that I use is it's a chunky glitter. It's called Through the Looking Glass. It's like this chunky, shatter, hollow, really pretty glitter. So unfortunately, you guys, I went like on a deleting rampage and I deleted the footage of me glittering this. But the way I glittered this is the same way that I glittered my neon cup. So I will leave a link to that below if you kind of want to see like the method I used to glitter it. But it's like a swirl, not swirl, essentially. And so that's what I did to glitter it. And I spray paint. I actually started with a red cup and I spray painted it white and blue underneath. So I did use two colors of spray paint. And then I did 2 layers of epoxy. So that's why you see this. I do have the spinning footage because I actually took this on my phone, crazy enough, instead of my camera, like the footage I deleted. So then I spun it with 2 layers of epoxy. The next thing that I did was I cut out the snowflake decals. And if you're interested in the snowflake decals, I actually bought mine from the Silhouette store. And so it was maybe $1. It wasn't expensive at all. So just go to the Silhouette store and type in snowflakes. And then when you type in snowflakes, it'll bring up the ones that I use. I actually used 2 different designs of snowflakes in 2 different sizes. So like large size and small size. And I kind of just placed them all over the tumbler. Yeah, I hate that I deleted the footage, you guys. I'm so sorry, but I didn't want the footage that I had to go to waste. So this is just like a really quick video. So if you have any like questions, comments, or anything like that, leave them below and I'll just try to answer it. Or I can do something like this again using the same method but a different design. But so yeah. Oh yeah, and I did seal in the glitter before I did the 2 layers of epoxy, so just FYI. So after I put those on, I did 2 layers of white spray paint. So 2 very, very, very light layers of white spray paint, and I did them a day apart. So all in all, this tumbler literally took me like a week and a half to make, just between the I only did 1 layer of glitter, but the 2 layers of initial epoxy, the layer of clear spray paint, then doing the 2 layers of white spray paint, and then another layer of epoxy. So it just takes a lot of time. So don't, if you want something quick, this is not a quick design. So what I'm doing now is I'm just going in and trying to pull off those decals. And just take your time with this because you don't want to accidentally take your weeding tool and scratch the spray paint. And so what I like to do is I'll try to like hook in a little piece of the vinyl where I can, and then take my fingers and just pull it off instead of trying to use the weeding tool all the way, because then you're also going to scratch the epoxy underneath. And it's okay if you scratch the epoxy underneath where you pull it off the vinyl at, because you're going to re-epoxy over that so it'll fill in that scratch. But you just want to minimize scratches just in general. And so all in all, it took me about an hour and a half to pull off all of these decals. So just take your time with it. Sit down, take your time. You know, no need to rush, especially with the snowflakes. They're not like an easy design to pull off. So you really just want to take your time with it. And so I won't bore you with all of the footage of me spending a bunch of time pulling off these decals, but essentially that's what you want to do. Just take your time, hook it in, try to like get it underneath and just pull it off where you can, minimize scratching both the spray paint and where you're pulling it off at. So just be gentle and just take your time. And this is the final product, you guys. I love it. I love how you can see. I'm really glad like I did like the kind of swirl underneath, because I love how the snowflakes are all different colors and you can see the different colors coming through. I think it looks so pretty. So sorry this video was so quick. If you want a more detailed video, just leave me a comment below. Please don't forget to thumbs up this video. Subscribe to Period 6 Designs channel. Comments or questions, leave them below. Thank you so much for watching, you guys, and I will see you guys in the next one.